as we were doing this work. So start doing this work.
Ma'am, we have to send question 3.
As well as and question 4 together, 3 and 4 together.
Why is not joining?
Okay, some of the students send me the answers afterwards. He's not here. Who is here? Nihit, Fahad, Ayushi, Pratishtha. Fahad, switch off your mic. Noel is not here. Pratishtha is not here. Pratishtha, I'm going to tell you about your mistakes, the things which you have sent me in the last period.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Pratishtha. Pratishtha, your the 5 divisibility you have done wrong. It should be last digit is not 4. Why have you added this 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 again and again? Rest are correct. Pratishtha, Adeshika is here. Adeshika is not here now. Shreyansh is here. Shreyansh, I'm going to tell you your mistakes in the previous question. Yes, Shreyansh, everything is correct. Good. Adeshika is still not here.
Ma'am, I am here.
Adeshika is here. Okay, let me check Adeshika's paper. Second one is correct, Adeshika. Yes, it is correct. Noel is here. Noel, I'm going to tell you about your paper. Okay, Noel, it is correct. Good, Noel. Nihit is here now. Nihit is not here. Arif, Ayushi, Nihit, Saloni and Saloni, बेटा क्या क्या भेजती हो ग्रुप पे? Solve them quickly. Do question 3, do question 4 together and then send me the answers. Do question 3 and question 4 together and then send me the answer. Look here, everyone, I'm going to tell you the answers now. Everyone, just pay attention over here instead of doing your work. See, circle the numbers which are divisible by 5 and 10 both. See, for divisibility of 5 and divisibility of 10, I'm writing here just as a number. Divisibility of 5, you know, is last digit should be 5 or 0. And divisibility of 10 is last digit should be 0. Sorry, 5 or 0. And it should be 0. This is the divisibility. That means if it is divisible by 0, last digit will be 0. 8 seconds. Okay. 0 and 0 here. 0 here and 0 here. Okay. So that means its last digit should be 0. That means this is divisible by 10. This is not divisible neither by 5, neither by 10. It is divisible by 5, but it is not divisible by 10. It is written by 5 and 10. Both of them. Okay. So we'll not circle this 2005. Many of you have done it. Why? Because it is divisible by 5 only. It is not divisible by 10. So 5020, yes, it is divisible by 5 also and it is divisible by 10 also. It is divisible by 5, but it is not divisible by 10. It is divisible by 5, but it is not 5 and it is divisible by 10 also. So we'll circle these three. Only these three to be circled. It is written 5 and 10 both. That's what I say. Read the question very carefully. Okay. Now see, every number which is divisible by 5. Acha, these questions, wait a second. Just wait over a second. Huh. These type of question. Every number which is divisible by 5 and divisible by 10. So any number you take, 25. It is divisible by 5. It is divisible by 5. Okay, it is divisible by 5. Is it divisible by 10? It is divisible by 5. It is divisible by 10? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No, it is not divisible by 10. So every number which is divisible by 5 is divisible by 10? No, not compulsory. Because I told you in 5 it should be 5 or 0. But in 10 it should be 0. So it could be 5 also. Then it is not divisible by 10. So answer will be false now. Okay. Now, every number which is divisible by 10, every number which is divisible by 10, any number, who is this? Any number which is divisible by 10. So, any number which is divisible by 10. 10 के लिए we know last digit should be 0. So, always it is divisible by 5. Yes. Any number which is divisible by 10 will be divisible by 5 automatically because last digit is coming 0. And on 5 also it is coming 0. So answer will be true here. So any number, every number which is divisible by 3 is divisible by 5. So let's say 15. 15 is divisible by 3. Is it divisible by 9?
No.
No. Because 1, the sum should be for 1 plus 5. The sum should be, it is coming 6. It is divisible by 3. But the sum should be 9. In 9 case, it should be divisible by 9. So, here answer will be false. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt now?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you can note it down if you want. Because true, false you have done wrong. Many of you have done wrong, true, false. Do the true, false. Do it quickly. Solve it. Okay, beta. Now I'm going to start some reasoning questions to you. Okay, I'm going to give you some reasoning questions. Have you all done this? Shall I rub it? Shall I rub this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to rub it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we are going to start reasoning. Prime numbers and composite number we will do next time. LCM and HCF I think we have done, right? No, LCM and HCF is also left. Okay. LCM and HCF as well as prime number and composite number we will do next time. Now see.
I have also sent it.
Send it nahi hota beta, it's send. Wait. Not solve. Take out your reasoning notebooks. Before starting the reasoning, I would like to tell you, look here on the board, everyone. Take it out afterwards. First, look here on the board. I would like to tell you about BODMAS. 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 Why is it used? Suppose you are having addition also, multiplication also, and division also in one question. 25 divided by 5 plus 25 minus 5 multiply by 5. Such a big question is given to you. Okay. So how you are going to solve it? आप ऐसे करेंगे, most of you I know. पहले first वाला solve किया, फिर second वाला, फिर third वाला. That will be wrong. That will be completely wrong. We cannot solve like this. We cannot solve any question like this, that first we will solve this, then we will solve this, then we will solve this. Answer will be different in each and every case if you are going to solve like this. So there is one maths rule. Which rule is there? Maths rule.
BODMAS.
Ma'am, broad mass.
BODMAS's maths rule. There is only and only one answer for this question. There are not many answers. There is only one answer for this question. आप तो बोलोगे मैम मैंने पहले ये solve किया, then I solved this, then I solved this, and I got this answer. And the friend sitting next to you, she said, I'll solve this one first, then this one, then this one, and I got the different answer. He will say I am correct. You will say I am correct. Then who is correct? Nobody is correct until and unless you use this method. Nobody is correct until and unless you are going to use this method. Okay. Now let me tell you something. Okay. Okay. That rule says, what this rule says, that if you have addition, subtraction, and division together, Karthik, where are you looking? If there is addition, subtraction together, then what we are going to solve first of all, सबसे पहले क्या solve करेंगे हम? We will solve first of all the brackets. We are going to solve, what we are going to solve first of all? Brackets. If there is any bracket also, beta, a bracket is also a part of mathematics. 25 divided by 5 multiplied by 5 plus 5. So first we will solve what is inside the bracket. So first of all we will solve what is inside the bracket. But it is not in your syllabus as of now, so we are not going to pay attention on bracket. O4 is off. What is off? Actually factor is written 3 of 100. 3 of 100. In maths it means 3 multiplied by 100. It does not mean multiply, but it is off first of all. Okay. Now D for divide. D for.
Ma'am, we have to write it.
Now you just have to listen to me carefully. That's it. Look at me carefully. D for divide. M for multiply. If you have divide, multiply. Abhi I'm telling you the full form first. Add and subtract. Okay. If you have a big question like 25 multiply 5 divided by 5 plus 5 minus 5, then what you are going to do first of all? You are going to do the division first, because bracket is not there, off is not there, D divide is there. So we are going to first of all solve only this part, 5 divided by 5. We are going to solve only this part where it is having divide. Where it is having divide, we are only going to solve this part in one first step.
Ma'am, we have to write it.
Who is saying this? Who is saying this? We have to write it. How many times should I told you not to write anything and just look on the board? Okay, 5 divided by 5 is 1 plus 5 minus 5. Okay. Now, is there any divide left? Is there any divide left in this equation? In this question, is there any divide now?
No, ma'am.
No, there is no divide. Now, if there is no divide, now we will choose next multiply. Is there any multiply here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it is here. So we are going to solve this. 25 ones are 25 ones are 25, and rest of the numbers are going to be same. Rest of the numbers are going to be same. Now, is there any multiply here?
No, ma'am.
Now there is no multiply here. Now we are going to add it. Now we are going to add it. What we are going to add? These two we are going to add. 25 plus 5. 20 plus 5 plus 5 is what? Total? 30. 30 minus 5. Now we are going to subtract it. We will get 25. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
If you solve like this, अगर आप ऐसे solve करते, the answer would have been different. Excuse me. Excuse me. Just wait for a second. Excuse me. 25 5s are 125 divided by 5 plus 5 minus 5. 125 divided by 5 will be 5 2s are 10, 25 plus 5 minus 5. Hey, it's coming same. Maybe just because it is coming same by chance, but it will be different every time. Okay, then it is all right. Okay, now I'm going to give you some of the questions related to the reasoning, mathematical operations. Now you are going to solve it. I'm going to give you only one question, and that one question will have three different parts. Okay? Okay. Right, question one. If. If. Start writing in your reasoning notebook. I'm going to give you first an easy one. See, beta, how will you do it? Just I'm going to tell you only one step. Look here. 5 triangle. First of all, you will write the numbers like this itself. This is the question. You will just write down the number. Triangle means what? If you see the triangle, in place of triangle, what it will come? It will come minus. Triangle means minus. So in place of triangle, you just place minus. In place of circle means plus. That means plus. Okay, solve this.
Triangle means minus.
I'm done. मशीन आ रहा है.
Who is this?
And
Solve.
Look here and pay attention. Instead of solving, pay attention over here. I'm going to tell you something new, which will be helpful in your board maths. If number 23 is given to you simply, if simply 23 any number is given to you, it means plus 23. If any number 5 is given to you, it means plus 5. Okay, so what we are going to do when we are going to solve these questions, when we are going to solve this type of question in which plus and minus are there, how do we say board mass ke according addition should be first? Addition should be first. So this number is nothing is here, that means it is plus 4. It means that we have to add plus 4 and plus 7. We have to add 4 and 7 together. Okay, 4 and 7. 7, 4 is total 11. 11 is there, and put this minus 5 in the end. Okay, if it is nothing there, I told you, if the number is not nothing is there, that means it's plus. Plus 11, 11 minus 5 is what? 11 minus 5 is 8. So when we are confused, 4 minus 5 is not possible, and we have to do the addition first. So what we are going to do? We are going to add this number and this plus 7 together. Add them together and put this down as minus 5. Then 11 minus 5 is 8. Sorry, 11 minus 5 is 6. Sorry. 11 minus 5 is 6. So those who were saying 6 is the correct answer, yes, 6 is the correct answer. Okay, let me give you one more question. Let me see now you can do or not. So have you copied it? Those who have done it wrong, just see, write the correct one. Rub करके correct वाला लिखो.
Ma'am, I have not.
I am going to give you the second question. Same, related to the same. Okay. 25 triangle, 5 circle. No, 5 circle नहीं, it's 50. 50, 50. 50. 25. It's not a circle, it's 50, 50.
Ma'am, answer is 0.
No, the answer is wrong.
Ma'am,
Huh? Apply word
ma'am,
mass.
I can.
Apply word mass. First of all, write like this. Then apply word mass. Whenever you start solving, solve with the word mass.
1.
No, not at all. Because you are not following word mass, that's why you are getting the answer as 1, and that will be wrong. Those who are getting the answer as 1, they are wrong.
Ma'am, answer is 29.
नहीं, थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक कर रहे हो बेटा. Not 29.
Ma'am, answer is 22.
कौन बोल रहा है ये 22? लक्ष्य.
Yes, ma'am.
लक्ष्य बेटा, छोटी सी mistake you have done, a little bit mistake, a very small mistake you have done.
21.
Just check it.
Ma'am, the answer is 23.
Very
Ma'am,
good. Who said
21.
this? Who said 23? Karthik.
Ma'am, I Karthik.
Very good, Karthik. Very good. Excellent, Karthik.
Thank you.
Next time we are going to practice reasoning because you are very weak at reasoning mathematical operations.
Ma'am, 23.
Huh? Good, very good.
Ma'am,
I'm 23.
Okay, good. Now those who are saying 25, 50 and 25. I have written like this
ma'am,
first of all.
23.
Yes, it is correct. Now what I have done, 25, 50 and 25. Sorry, to triangle is there. Triangle means minus. Triangle means minus. And square means divide. Square means divide. Those who are saying 1, why they are saying 1? Because they have done this like this. Those who have done this like this, it is completely wrong. It is completely wrong. Nothing is correct here if you have done like this. 25, 50 and 25. Here it is minus and here it is divide. So see what we have to do. Look here, what we have to do, those who are saying 1, especially to those who are saying 21. See, word mass ke according, BODMAS. B is not there, O is not there, D is there, divide is there or not? D is there.
ma'am.
Where is it?
Yes.
Divide is here. Here in
Yes,
between
ma'am.
these two numbers. So we will write rest of the things as it is. 25 है, इसको ऐसे ही लिखा रहने देंगे. माइनस है, माइनस को भी ऐसे लिखा रहने देंगे. Our purpose is to 50 divided by 25. If you know 25 2 times is 50. 25 2 times is 50. 25 2s are 50 होता है. अगर 50 को divided by 2 करेंगे, it will be 25 25. So answer will be 2. Okay. When we divide these two, answer will be 2 here. Answer will be 2 here, this division part. And 25 minus 2 is left. So you can simply solve it. 23 is the correct answer. Is this very easy? This is very easy. Now, I think the meeting is going to be over. So we are going to do the more reasoning questions next time. Okay?
Okay.
I'll give you more practice questions to practice.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? As well as
Okay,
the
ma'am.
revision of prime numbers and composite numbers and other things also.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.